There is a bird that only lives in one place, not a country, not a forest, one tree. The yellow-eared parrot, endemic to the Colombian Andes, and the wax palm, the tallest palm on earth, is the only place it has ever called home. It takes a century to mature and reaches 60 meters into the sky. This bird nests nowhere else. It never learned how. For centuries, Catholic communities across the Andes used young wax palm leaves for Palm Sunday, a respectable tradition with a devastating side effect. Cutting those leaves killed the tree before it could reproduce, and without the tree, the bird had nowhere left to go. Close to the 2000s, researchers found just 81 individuals, 81 birds for an entire species. Then Colombia listened. The wax palm became protected by law. Communities switched to alternative plants and nesting sites were secured. One of the people behind that was Gonzalo Cardona Molina. He gave his life to these palms and the birds that called them home. Unfortunately, he was killed in 2021. Today, there are almost 4,000, pulled back from the edge by people who refused to let the bird disappear quietly.